Today's mystery client, gusto lang magpa-color retouch. Ginamit ko ang Bremo Dark Blonde. Sinimulan ko sa 4 section para pantay ang kulay, then iniwan ko for 30 to 45 minutes. After rinsing ng shampoo, nag-apply ako ng Green Bio Super Treatment. This deep conditioner has keratin, silk extract, and sunflower oil. Perfect para sa dry, frizzy, at damaged hair. Normally, 2 to 5 minutes lang siya. Pero binabad ko siya ng 15 to 20 minutes with a heating cup para mas ma-absorb ng buhok. Then rinse, blow dry, and section ulit into 4 parts. Gumamit ako ng flat iron for a sleek, straight look with a soft C-curl sa dulo. From buhaghag and dry, naging shiny, smooth, and healthy looking. Pro tip, deep treatments with heat helps the product penetrate better, lalo na sa chemical treated hair. Perfect ito if gusto mo ng manageable hair for everyday errands.
Can I get a says what? Thank you. Bye.